Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app, and in this video I will show you complete tutorial how to order from 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So just like what you see on my screen right here, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp from my YouTube channel asking me to order for their product on 1688. So this particular product here and order link, I'm going to go ahead and use it as an example so you see how we place order on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's go. So first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. After opening up my 1688 Chinese shopping app, I have already had a product to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to fill my cart. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to select the product. So this is the first product right here, and this is the second product. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, you can see the two products right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down right here and continue to scroll down right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to choose means of payment. Now I'm making payment with my Alipay. Lastly, I will click on here to proceed to checkout and payment. Allow the Alipay to connect. Lastly, I will enter my payment password to complete the payment. Now payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. And I'll go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them right here. So I'm going to click on my gallery right here. Then proof of payment and say order placed successful. Lastly, I can go ahead and check on the order on my 1688 right here. So I'm going to go back, click on here to close this pump up, then go ahead and click on here to check on my profile. By the time I refresh, the order I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a supplier on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Idofish, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.